How to fix Monopoly Go error iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Monopoly Go error occurring in your iOS device. So first of all you have to do is just open your Monopoly Go account, and after that just simply log into your account. You can also use the Monopoly Go app in your device, and if you don't want to use the app, you can also use the web version of the Monopoly Go that I'm using currently right now, and just simply log into your account. But as soon as I try to log into my account through my Facebook account that I generally do, you can see that there is an error occurring that there is no such connected account between the Facebook and the Monopoly Go account that I'm trying to connect right now, simply because I am facing the error in my iOS device using Monopoly Go. If you are facing the same error in your Monopoly Go, you need to contact to the customer support in the Monopoly Go account. So in order to contact to the customer support, you need to click on the chat section from the bottom right corner in the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply explain your problem to the customer support regarding the issue or the error that you are facing in your Monopoly Go right now. Just explain them, and the Monopoly Go or support team will ask you to add your email address in the chat box so that they can reach out to you in your mail ID, where they will help you to resolve your error that you are facing in your Monopoly Go account. Just provide your email address, and after that they will also ask you to give your user ID so that they can identify you better as a user of the Monopoly Go. And once you provide all your details like your email address and your user ID, the Monopoly Go, then you have to wait for 2 to 3 business days in which the Monopoly Go customer support will reach out to you and help you fix the error that you are facing in your device right now. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your Monopoly Go error in your iOS device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.